Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to use Remote Play on Xbox Series. Go to Settings icon from top right, then go to Devices and Connections. Then go to Remote Features, then click the checkbox of Enable Remote Features. Then click on Test Remote Play. Then go to Power Options. Then turn on the Sleep mode. Now go to Phone. Then go to Xbox app. Click on top right TV icon, then click on Set up a console. Then click on Set up a new console. Now enter the code and connect. Then go to Home, click on top right TV icon, then click on Remote Play on this device. Then click on Continue, then connect from here. By following the steps, you can play Xbox games on your phone.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.